TrulyFun Toys!
Welcome back to TrulyFun Toys. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be the first to see our fun videos that are posted every single day.
Let's check out this awesome bone shaker haul. Make sure you stay tuned for the end of the video so we can open this Hot Wheels supplies bag. Let's see if they can jump over our awesome Wyatt. It broke.
Did they break?
Yep. This is Wild Street. He's blue, red, yellow, and he's white with a zebra. Let's see if he can slide down the ramp. This is Sasquatch. Sasquatch looks like a Bigfoot. This is Chassis Snapper. He has a snapping turbo on him. And let's see if he can go down the ramp. That's a good jump. Bone Shaker is black, has a skeleton, fire, and a Hot Wheels badge, and some smoke. Let's see if he can go down the jump. A big Bone Shaker. Bro. This is Hissy Fit. He has a snake sculpture, and a wheel snake. Let's see if he can go down the ramp. Bye, Hissy Fit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tiger shark. It looks like a tiger and a shark mixed. And he also has sharp teeth. That was a big smash. Let's try it again. Okay. Crushstation. The lobster. Let's see how fast they can go on the ramp. Okay. Whoa, that was cool. Fourwheel Hive. This is Fourwheel Hive. Yellow. Yellow. Gold. Gold. Bees. Bee. And a big bee right here too. This is our last truck, and it's Big Kahuna. This is Big Kahuna, and he's blue. 2 surfboards on the back. And let's see how fast he can go on the ramp. I'm gonna choose one of my favorite monster trucks, Tiger Shark. Let's see how good he can jump. It's part 2 Hot Wheels car. Sticker box. Oh, I found it. Yeah, we found it. On the top. Over racing Bone Shaker. No. Yep. See on? No. Right here. Okay. Yeah.
Oh no, it landed on its roof.
It has no roof. Okay.
Uh-oh.